We'll start AcuBalling in an area many people need work on, the low back. It's extremely common to have pain here. As a matter of fact, 8 out of 10 people will have an episode of pain in their lifetime. First, make sure you've got an accurate diagnosis from a health professional you trust. Once you know that the problem is coming from your spine or your muscles, then it's time to AcuBall. Now, most of pain we have in our low back is a result of the joints in our low back and the muscles in our low back tightening up, giving us pain. Let's go through the steps you need to use the AcuBall properly.
Are you in a comfortable position? Are you breathing deeply to get yourself relaxed and into the healing zone? Is your mind focused on the area you are healing, and are you holding an intention in your mind to stimulate the natural healing powers of your body? Try laying on your back in a firm bed, or if your lower back isn't too bad, try a carpeted floor. The firmer effect of the carpeted floor will make the AcuBall go deeper. Bring your knees up so that your low back presses into the ground, and place the AcuBall where you feel you need it. Move around a little till you find the exact right spot. Once you've got it, breathe. Take 5 to 10 nice deep breaths to get into the healing zone. Remember that the first 15 to 30 seconds will be painful if that area is tight, which is normal if you've had this discomfort for a long time. Many people enjoy AcuBalling behind their low back in a chair. Simply place it behind you and let yourself relax back. Find that spot that hurts, move it into the right angle, and deep breathe, letting yourself completely release onto the AcuBall.
If you can just make it through that first 15 to 30 seconds when you're lying on the ball, because that's where you may feel the pain. Keep breathing through it. Don't stop. If you can make it through that, you'll feel the area start to release. That's the key. Get through that first 15 seconds. Think of it like peeling layers of an onion. Take off one layer, come back the next day, keep working on it, eventually peel off another layer, and keep going. 20 minutes a day over time can make a huge difference. Think of it like investing money into a bank account. Each time you keep investing, you build up more and more savings, and in your body, more and more healing. Once you're finished on one spot, then move on to the next one.
To loosen tightened low back vertebrae, use the AcuBall's patented spine-aligned belt. Use both hands to place the spine-aligned belt directly underneath your spine. The spine-aligned belt loosens tightened low back joints and muscles, enhancing your spinal cord's ability to transmit its flow of information.
The wonderful relaxation effect you'll feel after AcuBalling is your body's way of thanking you. It's saying, yes, you're on the right road, keep going, that's what I need. Now, for low back pain, this is very important. Realize that a lot of problems there actually start lower down in your body, in your feet, in your knees, in your legs, and your hips. If those are not working properly, they'll cause problems up higher in your low back because your feet are the foundation of your body. If they're off, everything's going to be off. So make sure to search for tight spots in your feet, knees, front and side of your legs, and your hips, and work them out in tandem with any areas you're working on in your low back. That'll give you a lot better results. I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises to do to help your low back. They should be done at least once a day, 2-3 times even better. The mighty calf stretch releases a chain of tightness that runs all the way from the back of your calf, up the back of your leg, behind your knee, into your buttock, and into your low back. It's a truly effective stretch for releasing low back tension.
While standing up, place the toes and ball of your left foot on a step, curb, tree trunk, or large phone book, anything that elevates the front of your foot, keeping your left heel firmly rooted to the ground. Now start to move your hips forward towards the front of your body, and you'll begin to feel a stretch sensation in your calf in the back of your leg. If possible, use your hands in front of your body to stabilize yourself. If you want an even deeper stretch, lift your right heel and move your hips even further forward, holding this position, breathing through it for a full 60 seconds.
Your abdominal muscles actually work as a team with your back muscles. The two muscle groups keeping your spine upright in the middle by being toned. Most of us do not have toned abs. So let's do a simple, easy, fun exercise to tone your abs, your glutes, your thighs. It really helps you look nice around your midsection as well, and mobilize your low back joints.
Place your hands on your hips, spread your feet apart, and bend your knees slightly so you're secure. Now, rotate your pelvis and hips in a large circle as if you have a big hula hoop around your middle. Feel the muscles in your back, sides, hips, and stomach slowly contracting as you move your pelvis all the way around. This is a wonderful toner and mobilizer for your low back. 10 repetitions in each direction is a wonderful way to start your day.
For this series, you'll begin by lying on your back with your knees brought up to your chest.
Breathing in deeply to get that relaxation effect. Hold this position for a full 30 seconds, letting your low back muscles and low back joints open and stretch out. This feels beautiful. Now let your right leg come down, and using your right arm, bring your knee across the front of your body, feeling the stretch in your left hip. Let your left arm and head rotate out to the left side, creating a large stretch right through your body as if you were wringing out a washcloth. Now let's switch sides. Bring your right leg up, bending it, and use your left hand to move that leg across the front of your body. Feel the stretch in your right hip and rotate your head and arm out to the right side. Again, breathe through it, letting your entire spine stretch and open. This series is wonderful to do first thing in the morning.
Take this one slowly. Only do as much as you can, being comfortable the whole way through it.
Lying on your front, gently push up with both arms, arching your back. Always stay within your comfort zone. Try to look upwards with your head, breathing deeply through the stretch. Now rotate over your right shoulder, feeling the stretch effect in your low back. And now rotate over your left, continuing to breathe through it. And as always, stay within your comfort zone.
The cat stretch is an absolutely fantastic loosener for your spine, the spinal muscles, even your organ systems inside.
Coming up on all fours, spread your knees hip-width apart, get into a comfortable position. Now take a nice deep breath in and arch your back up, letting your head come forward, feeling your spine and muscles stretch. Now reverse that, letting your head come up and letting your stomach go down towards the ground. Continue to breathe in, arching up, feeling that stretch, contracting the muscles as you do it, and breathing out. Wonderful. This is such a good mobilizer for your body. Now, let's try to make a C curve out to the right side, moving your buttock and head over to the right. And reversing that, let's go to the left side, contracting the muscles in your buttock and left side. Continue through these motions, doing 5 up and down and 5 side to side each time to get maximum effect.